You guys should really try this. Put shaving cream on your legs. Shaving cream.
What is this? The shaving cream?
Huh?
Is this the lip?
Are you gonna put some on your legs?
This one.
Right, go.
Ooh, not bad. This feels good.
Look at me.
Oh. Oh, a good night is right now.
Look, Graham. Look at this, Graham. Look, Graham. He's putting shaving cream on his legs. You should try it. Time to clean it off my legs.
Why don't we just take a bath of these?